Good morning, students. Now, see the new chapter number 7, coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry, already in the 9th standard you have studied that how to locate the position of the point. Point in the ordered pair. Ordered pair means x come first. This is the ordered pair x comma y. That means x come first, y come second. Okay. Then x axis is also called as the abscissa. Y axis is also called as the ordinates. Okay, these are the origin point. This is the origin point, two lines perpendicular each other at the origin points. Okay, x axis, y axis, negative x axis, negative y axis, indication of points, draw the graph. Okay, now this here the coordinate geometry is. Coordinate geometry means coordinate geometry is the branch of mathematics which deals with the position of an object lying in a plane described with the help of two mutually perpendicular lines. Two mutually perpendicular line means these two lines, x axis and the y axis. Okay, then now the first point of this chapter is the distance formula, means how to find out the distance between the two points are given. Suppose in the one quadrant or anywhere, suppose the 2 points are given, so find out the distance by the distance formula. Distance formula is pq, you can take anyone, pq under root x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. This formula, okay, how to derive this formula? See, suppose take any 2 points in the first quadrant 0 to 90. This is our first quadrant. Suppose point P is here x1 y1 and point Q is here x2 y2. Okay, so join this point first, draw the perpendicular lines from this point. Write down here x1 y1, draw the perpendicular lines from the P and from the Q. Okay, so now again join this point and indicate by the T to this point, intersecting point, this line. Okay, now see here x1, this P point means distance from the this y-axis to this, means this distance is a x1 and this distance is a x2. This point is x2, Q point. Okay, suppose we indicate here, this is the R, this one is S, this one is O. Okay, and similarly here this line is parallel to y-axis, means S to T is a y1 distance and SQ is a y2 distance. Okay, so now write down here OR is x1. Okay, this point P is x1 here, and then OS is x2. Suppose we subtract the OR from the OS, so we'll get the RS. RS is same as PT. RS is equal to P point, this is PT. Okay, so now RS is OS minus OR. That means OS is a x2 and OR is a x1, and RS is also same as PT, means we can write here the PT is equal to x2 minus x1. This is our equation number 1 for this second. See the next point here, the ST is a y1 and SQ is a y2, then QT is a SQ minus ST, will get the QT. Okay, so QT is equal to SQ minus ST, SQ minus ST. Okay, so SQ is a y2 and ST is a y1. Distance of ST is a y1, then y2 minus y1 will get the QS. Okay, we'll get the QT. Sorry, QT is here, QT. Okay, so value of QT is y2 minus y1 and value of PT is a x2 minus x1. So now see in this triangle, PQT triangle, use the Pythagoras theorem because this is a perpendicular lines. On the point T, the 90-degree angle is here. So we can use the Pythagoras theorem in the triangle. In triangle PQT, angle T is 90 degree. So we can use the Pythagoras theorem. So by the Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse side squares means PQ square, PQ is a hypotenuse, is equal to PT square plus TQ square. Okay, now substitute the values. PT is a, now we got here the value. PT is a x2 minus x1, x2 minus x1 bracket square plus QT is a y2 minus y1 bracket square. Okay, so PQ square, then taking square root both the side. After taking the square root both the sides, so we'll get the PQ is equal to under root x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. Now we got the distance formula here. This is the distance formula. Now same this formula we have to use in the questions. So see the questions. 7.1 first question, find the distance between the following pair of points. So points are given 2 3 4 1 points. So consider that the x1 x2 x1 y1 x2 y2. Okay, so see the question number first of 7.1 is 2 3 4 1 are in the ordered pair, means x come first, y come second. So first point is a x1, second point is a y1, x1 y1, and here the x2 y2. Okay, so now x1 is 2, y1 is 3, x2 is 4 and y2 is 1. Okay, now use the distance formula to find out the distance between these 2 points. So distance formula is, suppose this point is P and this point is Q. Suppose we indicate here this point is P and this one is Q. So PQ is equal to, distance formula is x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. Okay, so substitute the values. x2 is a x2 is a 4 minus x1 is a 2 bracket square plus y2 is a 1 minus y1 is a 3 bracket square. That means 2 square is a 4, 4 minus 2 is a 2, then 2 square is a 4 plus again minus 2 square is a 4, that means under root 8. Again you can substitute it, 2 under root 2. Okay, so this is the distance of this 2 point P and Q. You can solve, similarly you can solve this question number second and the question number third also. Okay, see the question number second. In this question number second, find the distance between the point 0 0 and 36 15. You can now find out the distance between the two towns A and B discussed in the section 7.2. means the origin and the 2 points are given, means the 0 0 origin point is given and 0 0 origin point is given, and the another point is 36 and 15. Same x1 y1 indicate here, x2 y2. Say you are substitute in the distance formula, so you will get the directly the answer. So suppose P and Q, these points are x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. So substitute the values. X2 is a 36, x1 is 0, so 36 square, and y2 is a 15 and y1 is a 0, directly 36 square plus 15 square. So solve it and find out the answer of this. Okay, so simple way, find out only the origin point. O given means this origin point means 0 0 are given. So okay, so x2 y2 is only here, so calculate it and find out the value of means distance of this PQ. So now the third question, how to find out the collinear points. Suppose determine if the points are given 1 5 2 3 and -2 -11 are the collinear given. Collinear means given means P, Q and R. Suppose indicate these 3 points are P, Q, R points. P point is x1 y1. Firstly take the P point x1 y1 and Q point x2 y2. Okay, so find out the distance of PQ by the distance formula firstly, and then take the Q as a x1 y1 and R as a x2 y2. After that Q as a x1 y1 and R as a x2 y2, and again find out the for distance between the Q and R. Suppose the PQ and the QR, find out the distance of that 2 points. So you will get that these 2 points are collinear or not, you can find out by that. Suppose collinear points means suppose the point are in one line. Okay, so PQ plus QR is equal to PR. PQR, we have to find out here value of PQ first by the distance formula, then QR first, and then PR second, third time. Okay, so again find out the PR. How to find out? Take the x1 y1 P and x2 y2 R. Find out the distances if the PQ plus QR means addition of these two is equal to the addition of PR. So you will get the these 3 points are the collinear. Okay, then